$6.99. Now you guys know these cost $12 at Walgreens. This costs a lot more at Ulta. Alba Botanica is usually pretty expensive. It's $7.99 for a huge body wash. These cost a lot more than $7.99 at the Body Shop. What's up, YouTube? Mimi here, coming at you from my channel, Bunny Birdy Gator. You guys, I am here in TJ Maxx, and it's been a really long time since I've been in here. I just could spend hours in here. I mean, from the fragrances to the handbags to the skincare. Like, I love being in here. Not even to mention like the clothes, the accessories, just everything that they have in here. It's just so pretty and so cute. You just never know what you're gonna find in here. So I figured I'd bring you guys along before my appointment. Wow. I went to some stores earlier today and the stores were just so stocked up, like really, really well. I was actually shocked, and I kind of feel the same way about everything in here. Like, I don't know, maybe some of the stores are finally getting caught up, because I feel like we just have so much in here. Ooh, Birdy loves this stuff. She loves this. Indian Healing Clay. It's normally $9.99 for half of this size. So it's nice to know that you can get it in here. And another thing that you can get in here that I really have to keep reminding myself is that we can get more expensive brands. We can get a lot of K-beauty, but we can get a lot of more expensive brands as well. Like, they have Strivectin in here. They have First Aid. You guys know this is sold in Ulta. I just saw some Estee Lauder in here. A lot of the more expensive skincare we can get in here for so much cheaper. I wanted to go back over here. We have all the skincare for summertime as well. SPF, the sunscreens, the face sunscreens. Collagen foaming, what is this? Collagen cleansing foam, $3.99. Charcoal cleansing foam. We have an Estee Lauder Perfectly Clean, that's $17.99. We have, oh, is this? I Am Real Fruit. This is, what's the brand, you guys? I'm totally forgetting. I want to say this is Tony Moly, but it's not. This is Tony Moly for $5.99. Super cute Tony Moly. His packaging is so cute. That one's $5.99. Red Apple Hand Cream. You guys remember a few years ago, Dollar Tree had all the dupes for these? They had all the little fruit containers with the lotions inside. We have a bunch of serums. Gift sets. Pink Friday by Nicki Minaj. That's $14.99. Viva Juicy La Fleur. That is, I think, $24.99. We have some Guess fragrance mist. Let's go to the next aisle. Some of the Mother's Day items, I'm surprised they're not on clearance yet. Ooh. You guys know the Alba Botanica is usually pretty expensive. It's $7.99 for a huge body wash. Even in places like Walmart, they have the Alba Botanica, and it's a lot more expensive. Usually about $8 for something about this size. Firming. Is this Tony Moly? I don't think so. All sorts of products we know and love. We have Honest. We have Shea Moisture. This set is $12.99. It's a body wash. It's a 2-pack of a body wash. And then we have another one over here, but it's just a single bottle. Refreshing body wash. Vetiver and Neroli for $4.99. Clinique. We have Jason. Whoa, we have some huge containers of body wash. That's $7.99. We have Bedhead Tiki, $8 on clearance. We have Burt's Bees for $5.99. I love this packaging. It is so cute. Every time I see it, I want it just for the packaging. This is a strawberry milk lotion. You can also find that in Marshall's. We have Pink Sugar, if you guys like that perfume. We have Oui by Juicy Couture. This is $5.99. It matches the fragrance. Ooh, I love Soap and Glory. $6.99. Now you guys know these cost $12 at Walgreens. Pretty much $12 everywhere else. This is a body wash for $4.99. We have the Fresh Raspberry Body Mist from the Body Shop. That's $4.99. I love looking at these things. The Diana's Goat Milk Skincare for $12.99. We have more from the Body Shop, $7.99. You guys know these cost a lot more than $7.99 at the Body Shop. The Banana Milk Body Lotion. Again, anything that's cute and the packaging is kind of quirky, like I want it. I want the banana, I want the strawberry. I totally don't need any lotion though. Then we have this whole wall of hair care. We have Pattern. This costs a lot more at Ulta. $5.99 here. This is Tracy Ellis Roth's line, $14.99 for the jojoba oil blend. We have It's a 10, we have Joico, we have Monday. They actually sent me some products when they first released these. This is the shampoo and conditioner. I love the packaging. We have Diva Curl. Shea Moisture, of course. Chi. You can get your high-end hair care and your high-end or higher drugstore and skincare here for just so much cheaper. And then it looks like we have a clearance on a lot of these curling wands by Sedu. We have Philosophy on clearance for $20. Pure Grace. Tons of cute brushes, including wet brushes. This one is $5.99. We have brands like Jessica Simpson, Danskin, Marilyn Monroe. These feel really nice. We have Calvin Klein, Adrienne Vittadini. We have Champion. We have Nautica. More Nautica. More Danskin. We have Laura Ashley. Lucky Brand. And a lot of coordinating bras. Jessica Simpson always makes really pretty bras and shoes. Juicy Couture. Yes, you guys, there is so much to look at in here. I wish I had more time. I feel like I just have not been having enough time lately. Ooh, Summer Tea Spritzer, $19.99 by Philosophy. Pinks and Pear Blossom by Heathcote and Ivory. This is hand and nail cream for $4.99. I love the packaging. I could spend hours in here. There are just so many pretty things. So thank you guys so much for joining me here in TJ Maxx. Let me know if you liked this video. Oh my gosh, you guys, we didn't even look at all the cute mugs. Sunseeker, they just have so many pretty summery things in here. Sweet Tea and Sunshine. And you guys know these are all by Rae Dunn. $6.99. Super cute. Super Dad, Sunseeker, Newlywed, Grill Master, Dad is My Hero, Faith, One Smart Cookie. Summer is calling. Yes, it is. And so many more, you guys. Anyways, I ran out of time. I'm out of here. Thanks for joining me here in TJ Maxx, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.